Hello, I wanted to make this screen capture video for you for the Wiki project because I didn't want you to feel like you were totally lost. So I want to give you help with finding the discussion for the Wiki project so you can participate, and also for finding where the Wiki is in the course. So of course the Wiki project is here in Unit 5. So I'm going to click on that folder from our course content page. And here are all the directions for Unit 5, and I'm going to click here to go to the case study folder, and then I'll click on the folder to get to the information about the case study. Now, you've told me which case you want to work on, either the food safety as a policy issue or the one from guidelines to groceries, and I've set you up in a team so you can work on the case study. So the directions are all here, so please take the time to read through those. And I do have a few screen captures with a little bit of directions that will supplement this video. And the rubric is here. And then finally, each link to your home page for your team's discussion area and wiki are listed. I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. And you'll see that I've gotten an error message because as the demo student, I am not part of the case study for team number 1. But I'm going to go back down. I'm going to use this little link here that's called Wiki, and go back down to our list. And the demo student is in team 2. And you see here that we have now the home page for case study number 3, team 2, food safety as a policy issue. And when I did that, over here under my groups, this little drop down showed up. So right now we're on the group home page for team 2, and if I click here, I'm going to get back to the same page again. There's a link here to the discussion board for the Wiki project for team 2, so that's the same as this link here. These are both the same. There's a link for group tasks, and there's a link to the group Wiki. These get you to the same place. So I'm going to go to the group discussion board right now. And this has set up a brand new discussion board. So just as the FAQs over here and the icebreaker and all the student-led discussions are in a discussion board, this is a brand new discussion board just for the case study for team number 2. And you see there's a create forum button here, which we haven't been using in our course yet. So you can use the create forum button to set up discussion areas to discuss the case, or you can click here. And this just has the directions for the case study. So you can click on that post that I made and read those directions when the time comes. And you can create threads here just like you always do. So you can create threads here to talk about the case, or you can go back to the discussion board area and create a forum. So just as long as you're discussing the case and coming to conclusions and debating issues for the final aspects of the case, that will be fine. So don't miss that. Make sure that you're contributing to this discussion. Let me go back to the group home page. And I'm going to now take you to the Wiki. I, of course, could have done that over here as well. And here you'll see all the information that you need for the case. This is just like the rich text format document that I have been giving you to work on when you're working on the cases. But instead I've put it here on a wiki so that everyone can contribute. So all you have to do is do edit wiki content, and you'll see that you get the same editing toolbar that you always have when you're going to be editing inside here in Blackboard. There's one other button that's new, and I'm going to make a new video about that called Link to Wiki Page. But you can just go ahead and type here wherever you want and add your words, and then click the submit button, and you'll have your words added to the page. And of course I don't want that gobbledygook added there, so I'm going to just click cancel. I'm going to make a little bit more information available to you in the next video. Thanks, and I hope that this was helpful.